Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 33 in this series. So today's question is this one here. As usual, pause the video, try the question out by yourself, see how far you can actually go with this question. Okay, so what we have is we've got two expressions and we need to write one of them in terms of the other one. So what I want to first do is I'm going to actually work with a first. So a is equal to 3x minus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 7 plus x squared. So I'm going to expand the quadratic. So I've got 3x times 2x, which is equal to 6x squared. 3x times positive 7 is plus 21x. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. And then negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. And I've got plus x squared. So now I can actually write that a is equal to 7x squared plus 19x minus 7. So once that's done, I'm going to start working on b. Now b is equal to 7 times x squared plus 2x minus 2 plus 5x. And expanding the brackets, I've got 7 times x squared, which is 7x squared. 7 times 2x is 14x. And then 7 times minus 2, which is negative 14. And of course, I've got that plus 5x at the end. So combining the like terms, I've got 7x squared plus 19x minus 14. Okay, now how are we going to write a in terms of b? So, I mean, there's quite a few ways of actually doing this. Because we know that a is, we want to write something like this. A is equal to b plus or minus something, right? So I'm going to have a look at a. A right now has 7x squared. B also has 7x squared. So I don't really need to worry about that much. The next thing is I've got a has 19x. B also has 19x. So don't need to mess around with that much as well. But when I get to the constant by itself, what I have is on this side I've actually got negative 7, but I've actually got negative 14 where b is. So what I could do is I could rewrite b as I could rewrite it like this. So I could write it down as 7x squared plus 19x. Now minus 14, I can split it up into minus 7 and 7. Now the reason I'm splitting them up into minus 7 and 7 is because then, the minus 7 and the minus 7 here will be the same. So what you could really do is say that you could actually put it down like this, that this entire red box right here, which equals to a, is right here as part of b. So that means I can rewrite b as, because whatever the red box is equal to a, I can actually write it as a, and of course there's a minus 7 that's left over right here. So we can actually say b equals a minus 7. But the question is actually asking for an expression for a in terms of b. So that means we need to rearrange so that a is actually by itself. And we can say that a is equal to b plus 7. And that's our final little answer there. So therefore we can say a is equal to b plus 7. And guys, that's basically it for this little question here. If you have any questions, pop it in the comment section below. And I do apologize if there's any mistakes in there. Thank you for watching. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.